guitar into a very cool song from Emotional Oranges. What a cool, funny name. The song is called Petty, and we have 4 chords here that goes through the entire song. And we have this strumming pattern, pretty long one, but we will make it, I'm pretty sure. So let's start this one up. Capo here on the 4th fret to have the best chords possible. And with the capo on 4, we're gonna have start with the E minor. So that is the open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then from E minor you go to A, and that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And from A you go to B minor, so that's a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So from bottom up it's 5 strings, bar there, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be a D. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So there you have the chord progression: E minor, A, B minor, and D. Okay, so we have this chord progression here, and now we'll look at the strumming. We will look at the first chord, the E minor, and for this we have to think pair of chords. So we're going to look at the transition here from E minor to A, and you can apply the same strumming for B minor to D, and that is how it goes round and round. All right, so let's grab this E minor. We'll start to make this into 2 parts first. The reason is because it's pretty long. So the first part will be down, down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, so down, down, clap, down, down, clap. Down, down, clap, down, down, clap. And the second part will be down, up, down, clap, down, down. And that's the end. So down, up, down, clap, down, down. So if we combine these 2 different parts, it's really not 2 parts in that way. It's just for me to educate you, to give you parts that is handleable. So to play everything together, it will be down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, down. So pretty long one. So let's go. And then you're finished with the E minor, and you go to A, and guess what? You're just gonna play like 1 down. So between E minor and A, there's a short pause, and then go to A and play 1 down A, and then you're done. You go to the next pair of chords, which will be the B minor and D. You will play in the same way with B minor as you played for the E minor. So all down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, down. And then you shift to D and play in the same way as A, which means just 1 down. And you fulfill 1 chord progression. So slowly it goes like this. So on. And that, my friends, covers Emotional Oranges, Petty. So good luck with this one, guys. Stay tuned.